Welcome to Lakewood Automation's Tips and Tricks video series. Today I'm going to show you how to use a function block for daylight savings in Sysmax Studio. This project file and the instructions can be found on our website under Tech Connects. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go online with my PLC. This way I can change the clock. You can't do this in simulation or when you're not online. Under Controller Clock, it's going to set it based off your computer. Looks like this is my option here. And I'm going to click Synchronize with Computer, and then Apply, and Close. Alright, I'm going to go offline now. I'm going to open up the program, and we can see the function block. So this takes all the hassle out of trying to code daylight savings, which can be very challenging and difficult. This just makes it kind of easy to drop in. So here we have how to set it up. Remember, you can get this file off of our website. And basically, we're telling it when our daylight savings start is. The month, the week of the month, the day, and the hour. And then when we're ending it, again, you're going to put in the month, week, day, and hour that it is going to end. And it's pretty straightforward. So in our function block, we have assigned the values using this variable format. This means that you essentially don't have to make a variable. You're just telling it, okay, I want you to be 3 to match March. And that's a very easy way to put in values without having to make individual variables. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get online with this controller. And I am going to transfer the project. So now that I'm online, I can see that I have power running through this function block. The PLC can see it. And I'm going to open up my watch window here. If you're not sure how to do a watch window, it's under View and Watch tab Page. You'll be able to open one. All right, so you can get this function block in here by simply clicking and dragging. It will import every single item though, so you will have to delete the ones that are not typed incorrectly because we didn't use a real variable here. So we can see our online values for our items here, when we're going to start, when we're going to end our daylight savings, and the current time. To use this correctly, we are going to make sure that we toggle our reset. And then again, we can go ahead and check and make sure that these are all correct. By opening this, we can see all the work that goes into making this function block. This is all the variables that are internal to it. We can't view it because it's locked, but we can see it's a lot of work, so this will save you time. All right, that is it. Hopefully this is helpful to you. And if you have any questions, please email us at technical@lakewoodautomation.com. Thanks for watching.